Margo Robbie highlights and tipout tutorial in for minutes. First, lighten all the ends through the interior of the hair. Take 1 inch horizontal section, sand back comb halfway up the hair. Paint up towards the back combing. Take fine horizontalises at the crown. Take an offset crescent-shaped section at the front hairlining and making serretto include this part. Pivot point your folds like shown in the head sheet. And your pivot hand, begin folding straight back. Baby light the side hairlining and fold fine slice back to the back of the ear. Finish with a tip out. Over direct halt hair left in between it. Weave each section hollow down. To split it in it wa. Back comb from almost all the way down. Paint up close to the back combing. Split the crown in the middle.